My trigger finger got shot first thing today. Like,
okay, let's get some better.
Hey, guess what? I've got a 10% off coupon code for Amped Airsoft. I'm sure a lot of you guys know Amped Airsoft, but if you don't, oh boy. Welcome to Disneyland for HPA Airsofters. They've got it all, guys. Tanks, lines, engines, even just regular stuff. Use code PRAIRIE10 for 10% off your order on items that apply. I also want to personally thank Amped Airsoft for teaming up and giving me an opportunity to share this amazing code with you guys. Thanks, guys. All right, let's get on to the video.
I see you.
Get her, Rambo!
Yeah, that was like a failed dive there.
Dolphin dive you like?
Oh god, you broke that twig.
Oh, bad guys there?
Who are these people? Hold on, they're not armbands. Non-armbands coming up the hill, guys. Friendlies.
Well, I think we got enough guys watching up there, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab the center down here.
Come back.
To the left, right in front of the tree in the light, tree in the light.
There's two guys there. I scoped it out where they died.
I'm gonna try and shoot him. I don't know.
Here, right here. Right there, right at the tree right here. He's popping in and out. Like, you have to see us. Okay.
I see him. Hit him.
Yep, good job.
Very hard to see my BBs.
Got guys pushing up or below.
Good shot! Oh, I'm totally climbing right now. Look at this. Look at this. What am I doing? What am I doing?
Yappy dog.
This is silly. My legs are burning.
Damn, boy.
I'll give you cover. Ready? Go. Okay, I'll take it.
I'm moving to red.
Go. Okay. We got guys retreating back to the schools. Oh, stop here. Hit player in the corner. My trigger finger got shot first thing today. Like,
Let's get some better.
thank you very much. Two down in the corner.
What do you got?
Starbucks. One down, Starbucks.
One hit.
Blue building, Mac, blue building in the corner by the swamp. Light blue, baby blue. By the blue barrel.
I got one guy here in the window.
Hit! Good shot! Good trade.
That was perfect, buddy. Oh, you got me right on the back arm.
I got a stinger right here.
You got me inside the bicep. That was perfect, buddy.
Someone's got to hold down the fort.
You have it like an angle like that. Oh my god. Don't shoot me. Oh fuck. Hit. My fucking gun was on safe.
I'm so sorry, bro.
All those moments when you can't shoot safe. I so had you.
We're gonna walk around the other side. Friendly, friendly, friendly.
Yep. Hit players in the corner.
Back spool.
Hit player in the back. Shit, to the right of the corridor.
Where's that?
In the corner, the last building in like my 12. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hey, bro, I'm sorry. I shot him in the ear. I hate that. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Minute.
Hey, far blue building, far light blue building. Is that friendly?
All right.
Good shot. Just poof.
That's why I wear these. I'm like, I got like my, I felt something there.
All right, guys, today was pretty good. Great weather too. My heart kind of stopped for a moment when I shot that guy in the ear though. I can relate. Don't forget about that coupon code though, guys. If you're looking to save some money, now's a pretty good time to grab an upgrade or get into HPA over at Amped Airsoft. Anyways, I'm out. See you next time.